Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Capcut and creating a project with your background clip. Add text and place it exactly where you want the flicker to appear. Make the text layer visible and short so you can manage timing. Once done, zoom the timeline in close to C frames because the method depends on precise keyframe placement. Make sure the text clip is selected and you can access opacity or transparency controls. This is the only way we'll create a controlled flicker effect without third-party plugins. You now animate the text using opacity keyframes to produce a true flicker. With the text clip selected, open the keyframe or animation controls and add a keyframe at 100% opacity where the flicker starts. Move forward 4 frames and add a second keyframe set to 0%. Move another 4 frames and add a third keyframe back to 100%. This alternating pattern creates the blink. Once set, play the section and tweak the frame spacing to get the exact rhythm and intensity you want. To finish, duplicate or loop the flicker keyframe sequence to cover the whole text duration, then fine-tune timing so it matches audio or scene cuts. Export a short test at 30 or 60 FPS to confirm the flicker reads smoothly on viewers' devices. If the flicker looks choppy or inconsistent, make sure you're zoomed into the timeline for frame-accurate keyframes and tighten the intervals. This fixes most issues. Also check project FPS and preview quality. Mismatched frame rates can change how the flicker appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.